How to fix WhatsApp messages seen but no blue ticks. Hi, I'm Grace, and for today's video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp messages seen but no blue ticks. Without further ado, let's get into it. Step 1. Settings. On your WhatsApp, tap the three dots at the upper right corner, then hit Settings. Afterwards, tap Privacy. Step 2. Read Receipts. Scroll down and toggle the read receipts on. For this to work, both you and the person you're messaging must turn read receipts on. Otherwise, if yours is turned on and the other person's is turned off, you will still not know if they read your messages or not. And that's it! That is how you fix WhatsApp messages seen but no blue ticks. We hope this video is helpful, and if it did help you, be sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, please make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching!